I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and we are keeping you updated about all IPATE related informations and news. So in that line, recent news that is on 4th Feb on IPATE website, you must have seen there's a update by IPATE only, and this update is like they have told that the member companies are being sent the resume and your IPATE score. Many students were having the confusion कि सर हमने रिज्यूम बना दिया, उसको अपलोड कहाँ करना है. आपने रिज्यूम को अपलोड नहीं करना है, आपने रिज्यूम को बस बनाना है. उसके ऊपर आपने यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड योर डिटेल्स इन द रिज्यूम and keep it as much updated as possible. That is what even IPATE has sent. So the moment you make your resume, your IPATE proficiency certificate is already there. These two things will be sent to the particular company which matches your profile or company requires your profile, and then you will start getting calls from HR. So the students were having many doubts when they are going to get calls. Answer is anytime it can come. How the score will be sent to companies, that IPATE people are going to send resume, when and how much time is there to upload it. There's no timeline. You please upload it as soon as possible. There is nothing like uploading. You have to fill it, complete it. Sir, can I add something which I have missed in resume? Yes, you need to update it from time to time. Let's say you are learning something new and now you want to add that particular thing in your resume. Please do that. Soon you are going to get the calls from there. So this is something which is new on the website if you go. Otherwise also, if you go to notice board on IPATE site, then on the notice board you will find they have mentioned this thing very clearly. Merit list of IPATE qualified, IPATE 1 qualified candidates along with their resume link will be shared with CII member corporate as per their requisite, that means as per their requirement and recruitment timelines. So how much particular company, how many people particular company wants to recruit, that is called requisite. That means a demand from the company. And timeline also company gives. Let us say some company says I require 10 civil engineers in the month of April. So that 10 is requisite, and in the month of April 2021, that is the timeline. So timeline and requisite both are provided. Candidates are going to receive the communication from the corporate HR. So HR is directly going to communicate with you, not IPATE people, but HR is going to communicate. It can be through mail, it can be through direct calling, it can be like these modes can be used. So you need to keep your resume updated from time to time, and basically so that HR gets the latest information related to your this particular profile. So let me tell you now very clearly certain things. Resume link are being shared with the CII member companies, those who have shown the interest. So that means we are only to fill our resume, and then this resume will go forward to the companies. That IPATE will itself do. Second important line is you will receive communication from corporate HR. That means IPATE is not going to call you, IPATE people are not going to call you, HR of the company is going to call you, whosoever requires you for the interview. Third is you need to keep updating your resume from time to time. So if you have learned some skill and if you find that this skill is required for exam, please update your resume so that it could be sent to the respective basically HR. So these are the updated things. 20th of January only we have got the this proficiency score, proficiency certificate with us, and today is the 4th 5th Feb we have. So you understand, like it is 10-15 days only. We will start getting the calls soon. Don't get impatient now. Just those of you who are writing gate, who are busy with the gate, keep writing gate very nicely so that you get gate score also. And in the meantime, companies will start calling. We'll keep you updated about that. And we are very positive. Many calls will come. Many companies will basically call. Only 6,000 students have cleared IPATE, and I'm very positive that we are going to get calls. Just be positive and keep doing this, whatever is being advised to you. Resume is very important thing. Please keep resume updated. So अगर आपने resume link नहीं अभी किया है, complete नहीं किया है, और आपने resume को अच्छा update नहीं किया है, you may not get call. So HR is going to see only from your resume that this fellow he belongs to what, because many students think that अगर मेरा IPATE score कम है तो मेरे को call नहीं आएगा. This is similar to कि मेरा gate score कम है तो call नहीं आएगा. You see that I keep on uploading many videos related to low gate score and opportunity in IITs. People don't believe it. So you need to believe it first. because you know, like in IITs also, gate score is not the only criteria. Your BTech CGPA is also criteria. Similarly, IPAT mein IPAT score is not the only criteria. Then your, from where you graduated, which branch you are from, what is your CGPA, what is your skill set, what is your experience. There are so many factors in IPAT also. Nobody knows company HR will send mail to which candidate. They will have many candidates, and whatever candidate they look forward, they want this candidate, they may send the basically interview call to you, and you get the opportunity. You need to convert that opportunity. So do this so that we get the calls and we convert those calls. All the best.